If there's any buzzword that's at the peak of the hype curve right now, it's artificial intelligence. So we shouldn't be surprised that LG thinks that AI will be enough to rejuvenate its flagship smartphone. The LG V30 was launched in summer 2017. It's a premium device with a high-resolution 6-inch display, a 16-megapixel camera, and a modern Snapdragon processor. And no, this footage isn't old. You're seeing LG's new spin on the flagship device being demoed at Mobile World Congress 2018 in Barcelona. It's the same smartphone with a bit more RAM and twice the storage space, but LG is really pushing the new software available to sell this device. With the LG V30S, LG is embedding its ThinQ AI. It's embedding this on many of its electronics, and it says that this AI can learn about the user's preferences and recommend settings or content based on that behavior. In practice, the most obvious immediate benefit is the enhanced camera. LG's new default camera recognizes what the camera is looking at. That's reflected with keywords that pop right up on the preview screen. Then it adjusts the camera settings to get the best picture possible. With cameras being the killer feature on smartphones now, this is a good way to improve photo quality for users. But LG isn't the only smartphone maker promising AI-powered cameras this year. Another new feature with this camera is Q-Lens. This lets users take a picture of something they want to buy to conduct an image-based search on Amazon. But I couldn't really get it to work accurately in the booth. For current LG V30 owners, don't feel like you're missing out on anything. LG will be pushing out a software update with all these new features in about a month's time, so just hold tight. Pricing and Canadian availability aren't yet known for the LG V30S ThinQ. Thanks for watching All Hands on Tech. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos from Mobile World Congress. I'm Brian Jackson.